Introducing our brand new course for safety coordinators, the WSH Coordinator Refresher Training Course at Eversafe Academy. This course is designed for WSH coordinators in all sectors, including construction, process, manufacturing, marine, and transport and storage industries. It helps WSH coordinators better understand their roles and responsibilities, providing useful information on how to manage worksite safety more effectively and efficiently.
So during the course, I learned especially the peer assessment. It's really new for me, but also it's effective. We discussed again each another team. Then after that we give some feedback. They also give some feedback to me.
First day using e-learning, second day provide the classes to understand how this thing works. Okay, for in the future, any other courses using e-learning is better skill for us to learn in digital.
Newly they will started for the peer assessment. Our group member also easily will friendly because we are today one-day course, but the peer assessment really useful for attach with our friends. This also easily assess the worker means we are easily identify our strength and weakness. So this will strongly I will recommend to Eversafe. You please maintain again all the courses also.
Join the WSH Coordinator Refresher Training Course at Eversafe Academy and elevate your safety management skills today.